Okay, everybody, I just did a course with the Losi and it made it, but I couldn't get the farm truck to do the first gate, so I moved it. Only the first gate. So let's see how he does. I wanted to stay on this side so it was out of the shadow. Oh, go, 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 go. Awesome, awesome. Oh, this would be killer if I made this first shot. Again, I don't care if I tap the gate. Sir, buddy. This thing is a turning radius of a, I don't know, semi, dump truck. Okay. Three-wheel. This thing acts like a tricycle more than a truck. There we go. Now, here's the real exciting part. I'm just letting the brake take it. This is the scary part. I got a feeling she's gonna go. I'm getting down here because I want to catch it this time. If it falls, I fall better than it does. Well, okay, we're just gonna go with it. It's gonna go right over that gate and fall. Watch. Okay, hold on a second. Okay, hang on a second, people. I'm gonna try. Oh, the tree's got me. Tree's got me. What we do for our hobbies. Too old for this crap. Okay. So we made it through that gate, which I thought for sure it would roll. It will be a reverse. Oh, I think I'm making it. Oh, I think I clipped it. Darn. Okay. This is a fun one too. I didn't make this easy. I'll reverse here just to get a better angle. Get this stupid Bon Jovi song "Living on the Edge" stuck in my head. This is at an angle I don't think you can see. Ta-da! Come over here, thank the people for watching. Thanks, people.